up, everyone? Welcome back, all Khasi people, Meghalayan people, all the Northeast people. Peace from Africa.
This
Yes,
is
sir.
your African boys.
African boys, Gabs, Gabi,
We beke wahala boy.
Wahala boy. Okay.
Yeah.
So today we are taking one suggested video by the title Tang Maphi. Tang Maphi.
Tang Maphi.
Tang Maphi. In Arabic, Maphi means
Nothing.
not there, nothing. Maphi. So tell us, what does it mean in Khasi language?
Yeah.
Because we told you in Arabic, Maphi means not
You
there,
can to tell us in
your language.
Yeah,
So we have
Shillong.
DJ Wanshan.
Wanshan himself.
Yeah, himself is the producer. I don't know if we are going to watch it.
Hold on a minute. Let me call the president.
Call the president. Hello.
He's not
Yes,
online.
sir.
He's not online. But don't worry, I'm a big boy.
Yes, we are about to watch DJ Wanshan right
Yes,
here,
sir.
right now.
Yes, sir. Yes,
The
sir.
big guy from Shillong, Meghalaya.
Yes, sir.
Should we watch or not?
Of course you shall.
Of course.
Yeah.
Yes, sure.
Come
Okay.
inside, sir. Come inside.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Done. Let's
Yes,
do
sir.
it. Subscribe first. Our
Hey.
CEO gave permission to watch because it is DJ Wanshan music.
Ever.
A young Fisher production, State of Mind production.
All of us are doing that. In the same studio. Most of them.
Naduling kong kisgi Pitaba kumjing Shy kasgi Habang apet yapi Men sim kakmen Happy jing it nga shem Ngampoy perkaching it Jongi kawan rajing Kermen hadukin nekiski Labun kijing ngimat hajing ya But pingan don ring kan jiunom Tang Maphi man sim kahon om don shukum Maphi Hajing im jong ha Ampoy ber kaching it jongi kawan rajing kermen haduk kinekiski Labun kijing imat hajing yan Lenti Sim kakamen Tang Maphi bala ban ai jing tngen Tang Maphi ngashanya skem Tala don't nut baro
Just feel like you fall down there.
Tang Maphi men sim kakamen Tang Maphi bala ban ai jing tngen Tang Maphi
Close your eyes.
Close your eyes. Over?
Okay.
Okay.
Hey,
It's over.
like that. I enjoyed the music. I understood everything.
Really?
Hey.
He knows Khasi. Tell us what you
But
understood.
boss, I want you to hit your comment so that you know you understand.
Me?
No, not you. Our family.
Yeah.
Our fans, our family.
Yes, they know it. They know very well.
Just translate in English so that
This time is like a lady. She's the main
yeah.
leading and the main role model in this music video.
Yes, yeah.
And she just proposed.
Yeah.
She's expressing
She's
everything,
her emotion,
the love,
her
and
feelings.
how she's falling for this boy, man.
Yeah,
I'm just doubting, is this boy from Meghalaya? Because from the hairstyle,
yeah.
the hairstyle is so curly. It doesn't look like those Meghalayan people. Like
And that lady,
the face, the lady
Most-
is pure
most of the
Meghalayan.
people from Meghalaya, from Northeast, sorry for saying, most of them they are short. But
Yeah.
this lady, she is looking tall.
She's not short.
Yeah, she's
And-
average.
She look good.
Yeah,
Her acting is also good.
yeah.
And if this song is sung by her, then I will tell you
She's qualified.
she's qualified
Yeah,
for being the best female actor after Shilling.
the hair,
Okay.
the whole world.
But if
I will vote for
she's
her.
not the singer, still she will be the best actor after Marabang.
God bless you.
I'm
I
telling
will
you.
take you to Africa. You deserve something good.
Okay.
Or send me your passport.
She's a good actor, guys. And the music was so nice.
Yeah.
The place was super natural, beautiful, guys.
10 out of
Amazing.
10.
Tell us, what does it mean by Tang Maphi and
please,
Sinjoma
boss.
Kamen?
What's her name?
Who?
The lady.
The lady, I don't know her name.
But please, if you are watching our videos, please next time make sure to do subtitle for us so that we understand English.
Okay?
Yeah.
This music
Like
video has
Western.
no subtitle, okay?
Yeah.
Anyway, we love it, guys. Music is universal
Yeah.
language. We love the beat, the vibe, the footage
You
shown is
understand?
amazing.
Yeah.
Love from Africa. Peace out. Don't forget, subscribe now and sing